Look at that, guys. That's A-Zip's Pizza, but it looks like ZZ. Oh, it's clearing up, guys. It's raining. I'm in my pajamas. I have to go to Walmart in my pajamas. I'm in my...
to hold it so it's not bumping.
I'm in my pajamas with llamas. You like llamas, right, guys? Okay, so pretty much my attention that you guys want to understand the Ninjax making Ninjax bread. It's my YouTube account is Sinister Ninja. So add SS. This is our car wash, right, Lauren?
Yeah.
I like swimming, guys, and this could be my own pool.
You'd be like, this is the weather report.
This is the weather report all the time. It's sunny. Then this happens. This happens right there. Does that say no pets on glass or grass? Oh, okay, guys. That's A-Zip's Pizza. They're really good, guys. They're really good. But see, I can just go, take off my shirt, go swimming.
We're getting like camera. Look, it looks just a rainstorm over there. Over here, it's like.
Yeah, I see that. No, I'll try zooming in for you guys. That's like all sunny-ish. And let's look at our screen and stuff. Yeah.
Monsoon.
See, that's A-Zip's Pizza right there. Being bombarded. Okay. Guys, you know how some people say that rain is pee? If that's true, then somebody's
been holding it a long time.
Somebody's been holding it for about 5 months. Maybe 6 weeks. Guys. But no, rain isn't pee.
Okay, hang on. My phone's ringing. Pause. Look, weather.
Weather is...
The current weather is...
I can't...
Dude, sorry.
Is light rain. Focusing, I think. It says light rain, guys. I'm just trusting. It says light rain, guys. This is not light rain. What you saw earlier was not light rain, guys. If that's light rain, then I want to see what heavy rain is. You know what I mean? Guys, just in my Lamborghini with light rain right now. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I might end the video here because this is not light rain. Tell me, guys, if this is light rain, what you saw at the beginning of the video. Sinister Ninja out!